Top 5 Best Margarita Machine. Number 5. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. This particular kitchen appliance from Blendtec is more than just a margarita machine. It is actually a multifunctional blender, with the added option of dealing with ice and cold drinks. It is designed to look modern with its black finish and metallic parts. The 75-ounce blending jar can make any frozen and icy cold beverage, including margaritas, mojitos, and many others. There is no ice dispensing system on board, but the jar has the capacity to fit just enough ice for serving 4 people at the same time. Besides having the ice processing modes, this particular appliance can serve as a vegetable chopper, smoothie maker, and salsa mixer, which is always a welcome bonus. On the base of the model, there is a detailed control panel with a LED screen. These enable you to customize operation modes of the blender with ease. Pros: a multifunctional power blender with the separate option for processing ice and cold beverages. Ultra customizable operation modes let you make a variety of food and drinks. The jar is self-cleaning, which can save a lot of time and energy, in case you are using it in an RV where the power supply is limited. Cons: it is not a specialized cold drinks machine. Slightly more complicated operating system and lack of presets make it a bad choice for parties. Coming in number 4. Margaritaville DM0500 Bahamas. This Margaritaville model is considered an entry-level margarita machine by many. It is designed to fit into any kitchen, not too modern and not too traditional. On top of that, it weighs only 8 pounds, so you can relocate it with ease. The jar on this model can fit a maximum of 36 ounces of liquid. On top, there is a large ice box that contains more than enough ice for a single batch of margaritas. On the control panel there are 2 options when it comes to ice processing, shave, and blend, doubling the possibilities of recipes you can make. To make things even better, both modes have their own powerful dedicated motor. Both jar and the safety lid set are dishwasher friendly and are pretty easy and convenient to clean. Pros: pretty simple when it comes to usage and maintenance. Most of the parts are dishwasher friendly, which removes the extra time needed to clean the machine. Both shave and blend modes have their own dedicated motors for extra efficiency. Cons: the jar on this particular model is somewhat smaller than the rest in its class. There are no added modes for different drinks, so you will have to do it manually. Coming in number 3. Nostalgia MSB1AQ Margarita and Slush Machine. The Nostalgia MSB1AQ is designed to look and feel retro, delivering the taste of the 50s. It looks a bit like a classic blender, but it has all the extra features of a good margarita machine. Additionally, there is a handle on top that can turn the jar into a portable one if you want to carry it. The total jar capacity is a full gallon, which makes this machine great for parties and gatherings. The blades and shavers inside are made of stainless steel, and the cage is secured with an extra layer of protection. On the bottom side of the large jar, there is a dispenser in the form of a tap, for extra convenience. Although this model doesn't have an ice box on top, the jar is big enough to fit a lot of liquid. Pros: a large liquid jar that fits a total of 1 gallon of drinks. Double-walled jar construction keeps the drinks cold for a long period of time without adding additional ice. Carrying handle on top acts as a lid seal at the same time, making the margarita machine super ergonomic. Cons: there is no ice box on top to automatically dispense the ice into the jar, but the jar size makes up for it. Coming in number 2. Margaritaville Tahiti Frozen Concoction Maker, DM3000. As you have probably heard, Margaritaville is one of the most favorite manufacturers of margarita machines. This model is considered to be a bit luxurious with its higher price range, but it delivers adequate results as well. It's best used as a party margarita machine. Why a party machine? The name is due to the fact that it has 3 pitchers, each containing a max of 24 ounces of liquid. On top, there is a huge ice box that can fit just enough ice to fill out the 3 pitchers below. The best thing is that you do not need to move and replace the pitchers to get the ice in. All you have to do is press a button, and the ice dispenser automatically moves to the pitcher of your choice. Pros. This is a great party accessory due to its large capacity and versatility. It has 3 pitchers. Automatic ice dispenser removes the hassle of removing the lids and changing pitchers. There are 6 different modes, each for a different drink: Margarita, Daiquiri, Colada, Mudslide, Mojito, and Smoothie. Cons. This model is on the pricier side, but it delivers extraordinary results. The body is a bit heftier, weighing 29.6 pounds. Coming in number 1. Margaritaville Bali Frozen Concoction Maker, DM3500. Margaritaville is considered to be a veteran in the field of margarita machines, and this model is quite popular. With a grey modern design, it will fit into any bar or kitchen, both functionally and aesthetically. Besides having a plastic body, the key parts are made of steel, which significantly increases the durability. The jar on this margarita machine can fit a total of 60 ounces of liquid in one batch, which is more than enough when it comes to house parties. The ice box is on top and it can hold more ice than needed for a batch, so you will not have to refill it a lot. If you like to have a margarita served straight out of the machine, there is an on-demand self-dispenser available. All you have to do is push the glass against it and fresh margarita will start flowing. Pros. The excellent self-dispensing system that allows you to use the machine with ease, and with less hassle. There are 4 modes for 4 different beverage types: margaritas, daiquiris, coladas and smoothies. This margarita machine can work both with full and half batches of a cocktail. Cons. This model is not suitable for energy-saving purposes. It has a wattage of 650 watts, making it a big electricity spender.